What's up, guys and gals? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope everything's going your way, whatever way that may be going. So today we are going to show you how to do your oil change on your C7 Corvette. Most oil changes are pretty much the same on every vehicle. You have Volkswagen, sometimes they have 2 oil filters. It's pretty crazy. But anyways, it's pretty standard. You know, we got a, what do we have? We have a 15 millimeter socket. That's what we're gonna need. A wrench. Now, as far as oil goes, I have a Z51. This is a 2016 Z51 GM. So you have the advanced or full synthetic Mobil 1 5W30. Now this is for street. If you want track, you're gonna go with 0W40, and that's Mobil 1. But that is Dexos, and that's not the European. So it might be a little bit difficult to find. I wasn't able to find it, so I had to go with this. I don't necessarily go to the track, but I do a lot of racing. So let's go ahead and get into it. And then also your filter that you're gonna go with the M1 113A Mobil 1 Extended Performance. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our drain pan. Go ahead and get it under here. Let that all drain out. Sorry. Alright, so we're just gonna, let it drain out. Ideally, it would have been better to do it with a jack stand, just so we could now lower it, so we can get all the oil out. It's okay, you don't need to get all the oil out, you just want to get a good portion of it out so you can get the new stuff in. That's good enough. All right, remember, we want to put our plug back in. Don't forget that. Otherwise, that'll defeat the purpose. It doesn't need to all come out. You just want to get the majority out. And make sure, when you're putting it back in, you're nice and gentle with it. You don't want to cross thread or strip it or anything like that. Okay, so just be nice and gentle. Get it right there and there. All right. Okay. Alright, that's good. Now we gotta go to the other side and get that freaking filter out. Hopefully that doesn't get in trouble. Alright, so next, after we put our plug in, we're gonna go ahead and get our filter off, okay? If you've been running your car for a while, careful because the oil will be hot. There'll be a little bit, not a whole lot, but there'll be some. Okay, a lot. Good. All right. A little bit, not much. Okay. You got any rags? Got our filter, our Mobil 1 M1 113A extended performance filter. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. Okay. And oil filter. Our Mobil 1 extended performance, 5W30 Dexos. It's recommended even on your cap. 9.8 quarts. Okay, go ahead and open it up. Get a little bit of oil on your finger like that. Okay, just gonna lube it up right here like that. Okay, all right. Okay, and let's go ahead and get this filter on. Your reservoir is located for your oil. Twist that off. See, like I said, Dexos, 5W30, Mobile One. But like I said, if you plan on doing track days and driving it regularly, you're gonna go with the 0W40 Dexos, not European, no European. Okay. We got our funnel. Okay. Okay, got our funnel. Remember, 9.8 quarts. These big boys come with 5 quarts. Okay. So you're pretty much gonna take both of them. About damn close. You're only gonna have you know, a little bit left in your other one, and which you should never have to use, because if you're burning oil, you got bad rings on your pistons or something. It's not normal to burn oil, despite what you may have heard. But anyways, you know, I figured, you know, I needed to get my oil done, and I figured, you know, I'm on the forums, Corvette forums quite often, and I know a lot of you guys just go to GM to get it done, which you can save, you know, a few bucks if you just do it yourself. Pretty simple, you know. The car being a little bit lower makes it a little bit more difficult, but, you know, still better to do it yourself, and it's good to learn. So, you know, when I say save a few bucks, just to give you a reference, you know, so 5 quarts of the Mobile One extended performance 5W30, not at O'Reilly and not at Napa. You go to Walmart, you're paying about $24. So, you know, between the two, you're paying roughly $48. And then if you get your filter at Walmart, you're paying about $9. You're saving, so you're saving a good amount of money. If you go to something like Oil Stop or Quick Stop or any of those, you're paying roughly anywhere from $130 to $180. You go to a GM dealership, you're paying around $130 to $140. So you're really going to save a lot of money doing it yourself. And once you've done it once, you've done it twice, it's second nature. That's it. You know, we got all our oil in there, so let's just go ahead and knock that off. Get your little rag so you don't drip oil all over the place. Get your cap. Make sure you put it back on there nice and snug. Okay. We'll start her up, make sure everything sounds good. Okay, so right here, I already did it. I apologize, but what you'll do is, you know, I was at like about 20%, and you're gonna hit the select right here. You're gonna hold it down on the screen, and that will reset it back to 100%. And that is how you change the oil on a C7 Corvette. Appreciate it. Maybe like, comment, subscribe. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace.